Well, Medicare says it will cover the cost of Biogen's Alzheimer's drug if patients participate in the drug's clinical trials. Cambridge-based Biogen originally listed the drug at a price of $56,000 a year. They later slashed that price to about $28,000. It sparked controversy when it was approved by the FDA in June against the advice of its committee of experts. The group said there's not enough evidence to prove that the drug is effective.